Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to install the 90-20 fixed window. The first step is to dry fit your window into your opening. After dry fitting your window, apply sealant to the frame or to the inside perimeter of your opening. For best practices, apply sealant to both. I've applied a sealant. I can now set the window into the opening. Follow the product approval when anchoring your frame into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. The shims are going to support the frame as well as keep it square, level, and plumb. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the mainframe into your precast sill. Get all that concrete dust out, fill the cavity with sealant, and you can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your frame. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. The window has now been anchored in my opening. I can apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior side of the mainframe. There are two weep holes, one on each side of the window, that must stay open. Do not cover them up or obstruct them. I've unpackaged the box with the fastener covers. This side of the fastener cover will face the exterior, and we're going to start with the two fastener covers that are notched on each end. I'll start with the bottom fastener cover, laying it into the mainframe, and I'll work my way from one side to the other. Use a block and a rubber mallet if needed to snap it in. I'll continue with the top fastener cover and then the two side rails. To recap, I've now installed the WinDoor 90-20 fixed window. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thanks for watching.